what I said to God during my prayers last night? I said, Lord, show me the way. Show me what I need on this final day of the most important week of our lives. And then, you know what? He did.
Lee-Curtis, you know, he wanted a little more oomph. So, this is it, right? This is the statement. He is risen. One time I broke my toe. I didn't think I was going to be ready for one of our services. It was a women's ministry. I prayed. It was a baby toe. There's no cast. And I was in heels, and I said 48 hours. So I've seen miracles.
The Lord, ladies and gentlemen, is the be-all and end-all of your eternity.
Yes,
and
he is.
eternity.
Oh, yeah. What? First one.
That's one.
First one. Yes.
God loves you.
Yes, he does.
God loves you, baby. God loves you. God loves you.
Yes.
Oh, that's two. That's two. All right. We're talking for Jesus over here.
For Jesus,
Come on
everybody.
For the Lord.
That's right, my sister. He got tears coming down his eyes, but a smile on his face. We should all be like that for the Lord.
We should all be so grateful.
Yes, amen. Praise God. Praise God. I'm going to...
You ain't ready.
Oh,
You ain't ready. The only place you need to be in a rush to go to is heaven up above. Ain't nothing on this plane of any importance.
Hello. Hey, come on now.
Trent. Hey, Trent.
Huh?
Hey, baby, look, we haven't been getting all that many beeps as of late, and I think, well, I got an idea for something bigger to really get these folks' attention.
Wasn't that what our dear friend Jesus was here for, hon?
Jesus is real great, and it's a brilliant idea, baby. And he was a huge help getting folks hyped for Sunday. It's just, I'm talking about sealing this thing up with a bang, right? Putting on a real performance. Show them that we're back. Mm-hmm. And we're better than ever, and that we are serious about saving their everlasting souls. But maybe something like...